लास्ट ब्लॉग में यहीं पे मैंने एंड किया था एंड नाउ आई एम स्टार्टिंग अनदर ब्लॉग. सो आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू विजिट द फर्स्ट लोकेशन of the Yellowstone. We are telling goodbye to this beautiful view and now we are heading back to the car and Anya is also here. So Anya, are we going to the Yellowstone National Park?
Yeah.
Yeah. Close the light, Anya, okay? I'll close the light. Let's see where is the room keys. Yeah, here is the room keys. Here's the room keys. Let's give this to Chachu uncle. So yeah guys, Chachu uncle is Gaurav and this name is by Anya. So I think everything is done. We'll leave. Oh my god, we literally got shocked after seeing this sign. It was so close where we were staying. So remember, this was the spot, this was the motel that we were staying the whole night, and the next morning when we were leaving that place we saw the sign where everybody wants to click picture. So remember, we last night, if you have seen the previous blog, we actually walked till here and we just have to walk a little bit more further to click a beautiful pictures during the sunset. But anyways, we finally got some pictures there and it was really beautiful. Oh yeah, so they have groceries, souvenirs and ice creams. But they have already put their marks. Finally, the boardwalk has started. Mammoth Hot Springs. This isn't just another hot spring. This is a living, breathing limestone masterpiece. And I'm about to show you why this place is must see on any Yellowstone trip. So let's go. What makes Mammoth Hot Springs so unique? First, what even is this place? Unlike Old Faithful or Grand Prismatic Spring, Mammoth isn't just about geysers or pools. Instead, it's a massive system of stairine stairs. Think of like them a giant natural staircase made up of limestones. Here is the science. Underground hot water dissolve limestones, then rise to the surface. When it hit the air, the minerals solidify, building them insane formations over thousands of years. And the colors, those come from thermophiles and the microorganism that thrives in the extreme heat. And the craziest part, this place is constantly changing. Some springs can dry up, a new can form, and the entire trends can change in just few years. What you see today might be completely different next time you visit. This giant cone is a Liberty Cap, named it because it looked like a hat from the French Revolution. It's actually a dormant hot spring that built up over centuries. Imagine how much water had to flow to create something massive like this. Does it really look like a thumb?
This is thumb.
यहाँ डिस्कशन चल रहा है कि कौन से बोर्ड में कहाँ से वॉक करें, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं बोर्ड्स के. हम बड़े मज़े से बोल रहे हैं ना कि ट्रैकिंग वैकिंग तो नहीं करेंगे, ट्रैकिंग तो नहीं हो पाएगा, लेकिन छोटे छोटे व्यूज़ के लिए भी हमें ट्रैकिंग करना पड़ रहा है. If you are planning for a Yellowstone trip, do not skip Mammoth Hot Spring. It's a geological wonder that's totally unique in the world. And hey, if you liking this video, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more such adventures. And let me know in the comments what's the most wonderful places you have ever visited. So we have just stopped at one of the lookout point. जब हम लोनार वैली की तरफ जा रहे हैं ना, तब बीच में कुछ भी आपको ब्रेक के लिए कुछ भी मतलब रेस्ट रूम या ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है. ये एक रोज़ वेल्ट करके जगह है, वहाँ पे एक लॉज है, तो हम वहाँ पे आए हैं. और यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ है और एक्चुअली ब्रेक टाइम चल रहा है. दे आर स्विचिंग फ्रॉम लंच टू डिनर. उनको थोड़ा 20-25 मिनट का ब्रेक मिलता है. द लॉज इज़ ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत ही अच्छे स्टोन एंड लकड़ियों से बना हुआ है. लेट मी शो यू द ambience. I'm so tired. I just wanna go and sleep.
Can you call them, Anya? Can you say hi, Bison?
Hi, Bison.
How are you?
How are you? How was your choice?
What was your choice? What choice? What choice are you doing?
ये कि नंबर आगे ही बोलती है. So we have finally reached to the Canyon Village Lodge. ऐसा ही कुछ नाम था, right? They are here in the lobby to check in. So guys, finally we are at our lodge. This is the entrance and they have like a storage area and hand wash basin and everything because it's not inside the washroom. I like this concept because usually when someone is using washroom, other one cannot wash hand and all, but so I like this one. This is the washroom area, really nice. Lots of towels, area for bath. There's shower head, your basic body wash, shampoo and everything. So if I talk about the beds, there is 2 queen beds that we selected. The hangers, lots of pillows, his little sitting area where Gaurav is sitting and setting up the Wi-Fi. Do you wanna say hi? Yeah.
And we just got our room and we just bought all of our luggages. So
Yeah.
still trying to figure it out to do all our basic stuff.
Yeah.
Wi-Fi, because there is no cellular network here.
Right.
So remember, if you're coming to Yellowstone, if you have a T-Mobile, if you have a AT&T, none of those works.
Okay.
And maybe AT&T can work at some places, but
We downloaded the map offline and that helped us a lot. And this is the window, you guys. I'll show you this is the lobby. There is the lobby. That's the main office area. They have a different buildings, like 7 different buildings. They have given us the complete map. So there is a different buildings and there might be some differences. Maybe we'll try to figure it out tomorrow morning. There's a nice painting of fall which we are going to see tomorrow.
what this is called?
I don't know what this called, but the location where they are standing and clicking picture, that is called artistic point. Yeah. And here's another basic stuff like dustbins and everything, and fridge. So guys, that was it in this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's all for tonight, and we'll meet tomorrow again for the next adventures. So I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Take care and bye. Do you want to say bye?
Good night, guys. See you tomorrow morning with something new to discover.
Yeah. Bye.